How to become a millionaire when you're broke. No matter your current circumstance, we believe you have the ability to overcome it. And with the right mindset, success is within reach. You possess the power to transform your life and become whatever you put your mind to, including a millionaire. So, embrace this truth and turn your dreams into reality. Let's begin. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. You must have a money mindset. This mindset revolves around understanding the value of money, strategically allocating resources, and working towards opportunities that generate wealth. By fostering a strong money mindset, you can overcome financial challenges and gain the necessary skills to increase your net worth. Ultimately, this focused way of thinking can lead to a higher probability of attaining a millionaire status, regardless of one's current financial situation. Number 2. Only do what will make you rich. To become a millionaire when starting from nothing, it's crucial to adopt a mindset that prioritizes wealth accumulation above all else. Focus on activities with the potential for significant financial returns to put yourself on the path to achieving riches. Develop long-term strategies that capitalize on growth opportunities and continually educate yourself. By taking these steps, you increase your odds of overcoming financial obstacles and realizing your dreams of wealth and success. Number 3. Believe you can. Believing in oneself is a vital component in the journey from zero to wealth. It may seem daunting at first, but with the right mindset, even someone who is currently struggling financially can work towards becoming a millionaire. This transformative process starts by acknowledging one's potential and harnessing the power of self-belief to face challenges head-on. As you cultivate a strong conviction in your ability to achieve financial success, this lays the groundwork for turning aspirations into reality. Number 4. Create a budget. A well-structured budget allows you to identify income and expenses, enabling you to make smart decisions with your money. By consistently tracking progress and adjusting your financial plan as needed, the dream of becoming a millionaire can move closer to reality. Number 5. Notice trends. By observing and understanding trends in the financial world, you can take advantage of opportunities to grow your wealth. To become a millionaire when you're broke, it's crucial to implement wise strategies and cultivate persistence. By continuously looking for and spotting trends, you can build a stable foundation for financial freedom. Number 6. Cut unnecessary expenses. The journey from financial difficulties to wealth might seem overwhelming, but with dedication and strategic planning, it can be attainable for anyone in various economic situations. By prioritizing must-have expenses, creating a realistic budget, and diligently working towards financial goals, paving the path to millionaire status can be achievable even when starting from a position of hardship. This vital effort to reduce excess spending, while simultaneously working to increase one's income, will serve as the foundation for a secure financial future. Number 7. Use free videos and ebooks to educate yourself. In today's digital age, transforming your financial situation and pursuing the path to becoming a millionaire is more accessible than ever, even if you're starting from scratch. By leveraging the vast array of free resources available online, such as watching more Braylen AV videos and reading ebooks, you can develop a solid foundation in personal finance without breaking the bank. Innovative platforms and the sharing economy have made it easier to access information, equipping individuals with the necessary tools and techniques to manage their money effectively. By diligently investing time and energy into acquiring financial knowledge, anyone can create a roadmap towards millionaire status, regardless of their current financial standing. Number 8. Calculate what you need to have 6 figures. It's important to assess the amount of wealth needed and the steps required to accumulate $1 million. Begin by establishing your target net worth and a potential timeline, taking into consideration your current income, expenses, and potential investment opportunities. Next, devise a financial plan that outlines the necessary adjustments to your spending habits, saving strategies, and financial disciplines to reach your millionaire goal. By setting realistic expectations and diligently working towards this target, achieving a seven-figure net worth is attainable. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 9. Increase your income. In today's competitive world, increasing your income can be the key to achieving financial success and becoming a millionaire, even if you don't start off with much. Think creatively and adopt new strategies that can maximize your earning potential. By learning from the tactics of millionaires, you can develop an ambitious mindset and create a personalized roadmap to wealth. Additionally, focusing on multiple streams of income will help you diversify and achieve wealth. Number 10. Do what it takes. With a combination of determination, strategy, and the willingness to do what it takes, even those facing hardships can achieve financial prosperity. Pursuing this requires a relentless commitment to personal growth, embracing unconventional wisdom and seizing opportunities that present themselves. By consistently pushing beyond one's comfort zone, it's possible to transform your financial future, to join the ranks of millionaires. Number 11. Put in the hard work. Hard work and dedication are key ingredients to transforming one's financial situation. Building wealth requires you to adopt a proactive mindset, seeking out opportunities for growth and financial betterment. By investing time and energy into self-development and honing valuable skills, it becomes possible to create new income streams and increase one's earning potential. Ultimately, achieving millionaire status from humble beginnings involves combining a strong work ethic with strategic financial planning, persistently striving towards financial goals, and embracing opportunities as they arise. Number 12. Be persistent. Persistence is a crucial factor in achieving success, especially when aiming to transform oneself. Overcoming the many obstacles that life presents requires unwavering determination and dedication to goals. Those who face financial struggles must use this tenacity to not only overcome hardships, but also to accumulate wealth. By adhering to this, one can eventually build a strong foundation that leads to financial abundance. Number 13. Start a small business. Starting a small business that takes minimum startup capital can be a viable pathway to achieving financial success and ultimately becoming a millionaire. The more profits you generate in business, the greater potential you have in earning an increased income. Building a thriving company from scratch may be challenging, but with a clear vision, dedicated effort, and smart decision-making, it is possible to turn a modest beginning into a prosperous future. This journey towards financial independence and entrepreneurial success begins with understanding the essential steps to establish and grow a small business in a competitive landscape. Number 14. Try freelancing, selling items online, or getting a side job. One strategy for those starting from a humble financial position is to explore the realm of freelancing, selling items online, or securing a side job. By harnessing the potential of the gig economy and online ventures, even those who are broke can embark on a journey to becoming a millionaire. This approach not only enables individuals to generate extra revenue, but also equips them with valuable skills and experience that can contribute to long-term wealth accumulation. Number 15. Work on providing value. Focus on providing value in every endeavor you undertake. Consistent growth, coupled with smart saving and investment decisions, can significantly improve your wealth. By cultivating a mindset of value creation and continuous learning, you can gradually progress to financial independence and eventually reach the millionaire status. Number 16. Learn a high-income skill. By focusing on developing a valuable skill set, you not only increase your earning potential, but also set yourself on a path to becoming a self-made millionaire. Committing to lifelong learning and regularly enhancing your expertise will allow you to stand out in today's competitive market. Fostering professional relationships and seeking out opportunities in fast-growing industries can solidify your position as a high-income earner and significantly improve your financial situation. Number 17. Save to invest. Saving money is crucial for anyone, regardless of their financial situation. And with a steadfast approach and dedication to save and invest, that dream can become a reality. By diligently setting aside a portion of one's income and allocating it towards investments, a pathway to financial success can be forged. By exercising patience, discipline, and informed decision-making, the aspiration of transforming one's financial status from broke to millionaire becomes increasingly plausible. Remember, when investing, only invest what you can afford to lose. Number 18. Never stop learning. Consistently acquiring new knowledge and skills can pave the way towards becoming a millionaire. By actively seeking opportunities for personal and professional growth, people overcome many challenges. In fact, adopting a relentless pursuit of learning can serve as a powerful tool to transform one's life and unlock endless possibilities in the journey to millionaire. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating.